Hello everyone. So I've just walked inside Michael's and I see that they have the $10 grab boxes. It's going to be all Christmas stuff and I'm not really interested, so we're going to pass on that. But I did want to see all the cute Easter stuff, and I see that this store here has a lot more than my local Michael's. These are cute little foam colored bunnies. They have beautiful eggs. They have a shimmer and glitter to them. These look like bubbles, but they're Easter egg shape. I wanted to take a look at some of their organization options because they do have this new line that's quite similar to, I feel like IKEA, the clear stuff. This is a nice cart. They have a variety of colors here, and then they have so many clear containers up top, even with lids that you can stack on top of one another. But they also have similar things that I see sometimes at the dollar store. And I just wanted to be more mindful of my prices to make sure that, the quality is there and the pricing. These little containers as well. I have similar ones to these, but in white. They're not clear at all. They have a lot more larger containers along the top as well. So I'm in the clearance section, and there's a few different categories of prices. So 10 and under, 7 and under, 5, I think, and 2 is the area that they've categorized here. These look like they're left over from Christmas, and they should have been in the $10 grab boxes, but hey, they're trying to still sell them for $10 instead for a single box, which I still don't think I'm going to pay for. Take a look here. I'm not sure, like a wall calendar. They have balloons here. I really don't know if there's anything in these clear balloons. It's hard to tell. I don't think so. This would be a cute little, I don't know if it's in good condition, but they also have the craft colored ones. Just a line journal. And then they have all of this stuff for, I think, resin. So here's another section with more organizers, and these have the cutout groove, similar to the Dollar Tree ones and IKEA. Dollar Tree has a smaller version like this in clear, which is amazing, and just like this one here. And yeah, so I just wanted to take a peek and see what was available out this way, but we'll go to the craft sections. I'm in the wedding aisle, wedding decor. I've never seen these before. This is a really nice cake stand. So you can put lights in it or stuff it with floral, decorate the outside with floral as a cake stand. These are beautiful, but very, very pricey. And then they have the metal stands and stuff to decorate with. They have different options. They have some drapes here on sale. Lots of fabric. Lots of tulle. Big rolls as well, and some ribbon. This is new to Michael's. I've spotted it now a few times. They have beautiful rugs, just actually really, really pretty neutral ones. And then they also have pillows. I don't know if anyone has bought any of their rugs, and are they good quality, or are they pilly? Do they leave a lot of fluff? When you get a new rug and sometimes the quality is not there, it sheds quite a bit. So curious to find out what your experience has been with them. Really nice prints, and the quality feels nice to the touch, so I would say these pillows are definitely pretty. Look at all those spring colors, so many baskets, so many wreaths and floral. And this year I feel like it's all about the greenery, so it must be like even the colors, there's not a lot of dry greenery, if that makes any sense. Last year it was more like a dry green effect. This year it's very fresh, looks like outdoors. You feel like, these even look like my ornamental pear leaves. I'm not sure what this is called. I used it in I used fresh cut tree branches when I made a really nice wood sign for a baby shower. Look, this is like it's a rubber. It's not soft or fuzzy to the touch. This one is like a plasticky rubber as well. Love the olive branches. And then lots of wreaths here as well. Lots of greenery here, and then of course there's the regular floral, which we'll take a look at. But I wanted to show you how small. This is a mini little terracotta, so tiny and so adorable. And then you can see the different sizes up along the top. This is unfinished, just so you have an idea. It is not plastic, it's a ceramic, or I guess unfinished ceramic. It's not glazed. Then they have all sorts of glass jars. If you're doing a wedding setup, they have the cloche as well. Really nice large domes. And then of course some regular smaller jars, mason jars, etc. down this way. So I had spotted these maybe a week or two ago. I was in Michael's and saw like the green moss look. However, they didn't have as much at the store I visited, so it's nice to see a bigger variety here. They also have these little trays with the trim and the minis. And the minis are always, look how tiny these carrots are. They're so small. They have a little mini cake up here, or tiered tray, and little macaroons. They're so small. Look at this. So cute. If you did this in a teacup setup with moss, it would look lovely. There are so many very nice pieces. This one here, I'd be even tempted just from, I don't know. I don't need it. It's for my craft room. I like putting little trinkets on a display. These are gorgeous. They're glass. But they do have the inner lid. This is pretty. Guess you could put some nice flowers in there, and then they have the weaved basket look. And I don't know what you would call this. This is the Monet. I call it the Monet line because it reminds me, there's a lot of these little prints like this. It's probably not, but you know what I mean. It has that and the style of painting. And the colors are just a muted color. See, this reminds me of Monet. It might not be, but it might be a spin-off. They have beads trimming this basket. These are like a plushie. I do not explain it. There's a name for this type of design. They're just $1 for each letter, and you can just sew them on, or maybe a no iron glue. Lots of stamps here. The letter stamps. I found the letter stamps at Dollar Tree again, and I was so happy about it. These are on sale. This is actually quite large. It's beautiful. I just don't need another stamp to store away. I feel like I just saw this set of stamps at the dollar store. I'm going to have to double check some of my travel footage from the stores and see if I find them. None of these things here are on sale or clearance. I like to look at this stuff. These are on sale though. It's not too bad. It's hard to come across a coupon sometimes, so I think I'm going to pick these up, and they're not always available, to be honest. I'm wondering if they're discontinuing this line of Tim Holtz product, or Ranger products. Who is a scrapbooker out there? I'm not sure if there are very many of you left. They have all of these, like a plastic type clear sticker, and then they have these little pieces that you can drop into when you're playing with resin. But sometimes you can use these things for obviously shaker, pockets, and different paper crafts. You don't have to just limit yourself if you're not a resin maker, but for $5, some of these kits, I think that's not unreasonable. I mean, you could find some things at the dollar store, but That's always a hit and miss. What is your favorite glue when you're using your craft paper and little embellishments, like if you're going to put gems or any sort of layering effect that you really want it to bond nicely? I'm always curious to know, what is everyone using? I was just at Dollar Tree and shared this with you. I found it there. They also have these little mini versions of Mod Podge. The different one, the red one, and is it orange? Like a bright orange. Look at this, Cricut Maker 4. So just a heads up, but Dollar Tree has these 12 by 12 on a wood frame. They're not, of course, as thick and heavy as these ones, but if you are looking and trying to be on a budget and, you're not really reselling your stuff, it's just more of a hobby, definitely worth checking out Dollar Tree. These ones here have a 4-pack. I also like checking out this area because if the Copics are on sale, then that's when I like to purchase them. But slowly I'm growing my collection. Who else is a Copic marker collection collector, or who has the full collection? It's taken me years. It's quite embarrassing. These are great markers, by the way. There's a kit here of some sort. I'm not really sure. Faber-Castell stuff. Anyways, they have the Prismacolor pencil crayons, which are so expensive these days. This carrot basket would be so cute to recreate, and you could definitely use some of the carrots found at Dollar Tree. These are in a little, I don't know what you call it, a cage. These are hedgehogs, the little one's holding a tulip, and there's a bunny with a bunny riding a bike. Here's a little end cap. These are all in mixed areas throughout the store. It's kind of like a Easter egg or an Easter hunt through here for Easter decor. This is a cute little stand. A little bit too pricey for my liking, but it is adorable. They have giant pouring type of mug. These are cute. You can put your coffee beans in them, your coffee machine. I like the bow. I wanted to give you an overview here of some of the kits that would be awesome for an Easter basket, but I'll go in closer. So there's this loop-de-doo friendship bracelet maker. I'm not sure, but these are amazing. If you have a younger, say like 7 to 10, what a great kit. Another friendship bracelet making kit. Some shiny, shimmery paper on sale. They also have some other types of crystal growing things and National Geographic. There's instant snow and some more crystal growth and growing things. And yeah, anyways, if you're looking for Easter basket ideas, there's some nice kits here. So this Michael's has their floral arranged a little bit different than the one that I recently visited. There are some tulips here. I was hoping to find some more unopened type tulips, but I don't see them here. They also have the giant metal rings that are similar to the ones you can find at Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree has something similar to this as well. Just not on the base, of course. This is pretty. It's all glass. And Dollar Tree has this here in acrylic. It's identical. This is glass, of course, so it's going to be more expensive, but the same effect. I was actually hoping to do something like this on a wire wreath. Look at this amazing wall. There's lots of garland and beautiful wreaths, and now there's some more floral here, which is arranged in all the purples and pinks and blues. Just beautiful. Just curious on what's on this end here. So this is actually back to the front of the store as you enter. It's kind of tucked away. Your eyes don't really get drawn in. So there's like a bumblebee, I guess, theme. Yeah, the honeybee. And then they have some random things here. Oh my gosh, if you're a teacher, especially in the lower primary grades, this would be so fun when you're doing geography. You just toss it around and have the kids kind of point something out on the fuzzy ball, squishy ball. And then they have like still some boho. I'm not sure what theme this is, but it's a mix of some random stuff. I didn't see this anywhere else in the store, but I absolutely love it. I just wish it was actually a candy dispenser. It would be perfect. It's glass as well and ceramic. Look at this cute display. So I'm in the checkout line, and these caught my attention. They're identical to the ones we spotted at the dollar store, except the dollar store didn't have these cute prints. We had like black. Well, they had some prints, but not this theme. I hope you enjoyed walking through Michael's with me today, and until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
When I stare into the night, I can see the burning light, shifting slow from red to green. Sweet, sweet dreams. Every breath means letting go. Silence the show. Peaceful rest is not a test. Sweet, sweet dreams. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me while the